Nano Banana is currently going viral and looks to be the best image AI software of 2025 to date. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use it, which is super easy to do. I will show you how to create viral posts for social media, and I will also show you how to use it to help you make more money on social media. So let's get straight into it. When you Google Nano Banana, a website will appear called nanobanana.ai. Make sure you don't click on that website, as most of them are scams. Very important not to click on anything that isn't through Google AI. What you need to do is go to Google search and type in astudio.google.com. Hit enter and the Google website will appear. You may need to sign into your Google account to access the page, as it's through Google. If you're already in, it's super easy to use. Click on Generate Media on the left menu and then click on Try Nano Banana here. For the first example, let's use an image of Alex and Layla Hormozi. I will then include a photo of myself and type in something like "put us all together." It takes around 10 seconds to complete, and once it does, it will look something like this. Now for the next random example, we are going to add an image of Ariana Grande and Diddy in. We will say something like, "Put these friends together," make the guy behind the girl like they are hanging out at a party. Wait 10 seconds for your image to be ready, and here's what it looks like. If you go to Facebook and search for Alan Beck, I will put a post up about Nano Banana images. I'd love to see what images you have created after watching this video. Like and subscribe for more value videos like this.